if you're into motorcycle racing, road racing especially, Motoamerica especially has some pretty good storylines to watch this year. Those four guys right there are your last four Superbike champions, going from Josh Herron in 2013, Cameron Bobier in 2015, 16, 18, 19, 20, Tony Elias in 2017, and the defending champ right here, as you're watching, Jake Gagne in 21 and 22. So you have this fun thing of like, Jake Gagne for the last couple of years has been demolishing people. From 15 to 20, you had Cameron Bobier and Tony Elias, who were the top of the class. They were absolutely killing it. And especially now, Cameron Bobier left, went to Moto 2. He's coming back on a different team, on a different bike, different manufacturer. And the question is he going to be as good? I think in time practice this weekend, he was like 0.19 of a second off. So, like, he's definitely still got speed. And Josh Herron, he is the first or the oldest of the champions in this four person group. But also, he's coming off a super sport title, coming onto the super bike again with the Ducati V4. And Tony Elias, who hasn't raced in, I think, 3 years, decided, you know what, this year I'm coming back. I'm going to race, and it's going to be a good series, I think, personally. It's going to be, I hope, more competitive because for the last couple of years, Gagne has just run away with things. So you bring back past champions, defending champions, people who are just fast in general, bringing the superbike class in Motoamerica to, I don't want to say another level. I hate that kind of term, but it's going to be good to watch. But comments below, tell me, do you watch Motoamerica? Do you have a favorite out of these four? Who do you think is going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.